All right, today we're going to bring a USB Bluetooth transmitter. This one has a great options. You could transmit from your phone. If you don't have a Bluetooth or anything on your phone, this is a great option to do it overhead over your actual speakers, your FM stereo. Now, the way it works, you set this up in here, and then, of course, if you have a dash cam like I do, you don't want to get rid of that USB connection. You had to give you two. They give you a Type C and a Type A. Now, channel is where you're going to actually program the actual channel to find out what station you're gonna have to be on. And this is audio off, if you guys can see, answer volume up and down and so forth. So we're gonna set this up today and see how well it works. LED light all around, RGB lighting, actually, that's what it is, and up to 54 watts. All right, so we're going to set this up in here. We're going to program it right now. We're going to see what channel we need to be on, and then we're going to go ahead and transmit a Bluetooth. So right now, if you guys can see channel 88.0, that's where you have to be. You could change the channel if you want from here to there. So right now it's going to look for our phone. So we're going to go ahead and go to options and set up our phone. All right, so we just paired it right now. We're going to go ahead and test it out, and we're going to play over the audio. We're at 88.1. and that's how we have 88.1. And let's play something. This part of the bill was, and there you go. So it's playing my YouTube video over the system. So if I want to hear music too, we can do that. Let's stop it and let's go ahead and play some audio. There it goes. So we're playing audio. We're playing audio over the speakers from 88.1, and they sound fantastic all around it. You could hear it pretty good. It's playing the music out of it. So calls, we could drop calls. Mic's included in here, so the mic's going to be out of here, just to let you guys know. And if you lose the connectivity, you can always connect it from there. That's going to be my USB charging station. So I can have my phone here, plug in this in here for my audio, for my webcam, my dash cam, making a phone call. Hey, I'm done here. Do you want to go get something to eat? All right, I'll be there in a bit. But and that's how it works over the audio. They're able to hear me. Putting my phone here, and here we go. So if you guys can see the dash cam, it works very well.